Hey everyone, welcome to Knoll Tech. Today I'll show you how to turn off HDR on Instagram in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. You'll land on your home page where you can see posts and stories. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, go to the top right corner and tap on the three-line menu icon. This opens your settings and activity page. Scroll down until you find the App and Media section, and then tap on Media Quality. Here's where you'll find the HDR settings. You'll see an option that says Display HDR Media or Disable Display of HDR Media. Simply toggle this off. Quick note, HDR Media provides enhanced brightness and contrast, especially in darker scenes. Turning it off may reduce battery usage and data consumption. And that's it. You've successfully turned off HDR on Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.